In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix page not loading on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If a Gumroad page is not loading, whether it is the dashboard, product page or checkout page, the issue is usually caused by internet connection problems, browser cache conflicts, extensions, or temporary server issues. Now, if you want to fix page not loading on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and refreshing the page. Next, check your internet connection. Try restarting your router or switching to another Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection because unstable internet is one of the most common causes of loading problems. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Cached files can sometimes prevent Gumroad pages from loading correctly. Then, try opening Gumroad in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps identify whether browser extensions or saved cache data are causing the issue. Now, temporarily disable browser extensions such as ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools because they can interfere with Gumroad page loading. After that, try using a different browser or another device. If Gumroad works on another browser or phone, the issue is likely related to your current browser settings. Then, check the Gumroad server status or official social media updates. Sometimes, the problem is caused by temporary platform downtime rather than your own device or connection. You should also make sure your browser and operating system are fully updated because outdated software can create compatibility problems. Usually, page loading issues happen because of browser cache conflicts, unstable internet, blocked scripts, or temporary server outages. So carefully checking these areas normally fixes the problem quickly. That's it. By refreshing your connection and reviewing your browser settings properly, you can fix Gumroad page loading problems and access your account successfully.